Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2004 Toyota Camry, and what I'm doing is changing the washer pump, and the washer pump is located in the passenger side, right in the front, right there. Right now, to change this you have to turn the wheel. And you usually have like the panel here, the cover, and usually what you have to do is just take out some screws, like maybe one or two, and then over here, and all you got to do now, just take one, I think it's 1, 2, 3, and then move it to the side. But this one is already somebody this thing is cut down, so I'm going to teach you how to change the washer pump. And this is how the washer pump looks, like this. It has the connector. And let me just get you a little closer to show you what I'm doing. So what you want to do is put a pan. You want to put a pan under. And this thing haven't been working for a long time, so she decided today that it's a nice day to replace it. So usually we have a tap right here that you have to press. Right? Press it in. There you go. You have to press it right here, right there. If you can't use your fingers to press it, sometimes you can just grab one of these things or screwdriver and push it down without breaking it. And once you press it in, you pull it up. Okay? So what you want to do is you want to put a pan under. As you can see, you have a pan under, and you're going to pull it. And what you're going to do is, you got the grommet in there, and you have this little tube in here. So you have to just take out this tube. Just be careful. Maybe with a pair of pliers or something. It's better to use like a screwdriver or something. Hopefully you can see that I'm not in your way. Remember, it's plastic. You don't care if the pump breaks, because you're going to be replacing the pump, but you don't want the tube to break. So anyway, let's pull this first, right? All you got to do is pull it. And there it goes. It starts coming out. And while it's doing that, it looked like this was water in there. Huh. So, you want to pull this. So you pull it. You want to pull it right there. Can you see that? So you pull this. You let that drain. And the grommet is stuck in there. So you want to clean all that area up while that is draining. You want to clean it up. Look at this dirt. See all that dirt? Clean it. I don't recommend nobody leaving that grommet in there. So just take that one. Take the old one out. And you just want to put the new one. Let it drain. It's very easy. It should take you maybe like 5 minutes to do. You know? Okay, there goes the new one. You just want to put the new one in. This part goes in. Right in. It's a little smaller. It's a little smaller, that grommet. So I'm going to have to use the same grommet they had in there. Oh. Okay. I'm going to let her know that I had to use the same grommet, because that little grommet, and I'm hoping this part is the correct one. Let's size it up. Yeah, it looks the same. So we're going to, it doesn't look bad, but you want to make sure you get a new grommet in there. But this one is not bad. So we're just going to press it in there. Make sure everything is drained out. Press it in. Press it in there. Make sure you clean this. Then you want to take the, let's put the tube first. This hole's right here. Push it in. Oh yeah, it fits nice. We'll put that in there. Push that right in. See, you push it in. And then you want to put your wire harness in. Make sure everything matches because two. Yeah. So I guess I should have put the wire harness first because I'm having a hard time. So let's just put the wire harness first. And there it goes. Right in. Okay. Make sure everything is in. The wire harness connected. See this grip? That's what it is. I was putting it wrong. See this little groove right here? Has to go with this groove here. And yep, that's what it was. I wasn't even putting in the groove. So just make sure that you put it through that groove in there. Push it in. And then push the grommet in. Make sure everything is in. Yep, it's right in. Okay. Okay, it'd be nice if I had some some washer. Let me go get some of the washer fluid. Be right back. I'm back, my friends. I got some windshield washer. I'm gonna add some in here. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. Let me open it correctly, a little better. Whoops. Let me just open it up a little bit. Okay, let's see if I got steady hands. It's a one-hand job here. I don't want to fit it up all the way just to see. So here you go. That's an aftermarket part right there. That's what probably that grommet didn't fit. So let's see if it's working now with the new one. Go in the car. Let's bring this hood down a little bit. And let's see. See my partner. Say hi.
Hi.
It's my partner. My partner's always with me. Wherever you see me, you see her. All right, let's see the window washers. Hopefully that's enough liquid there. I guess put the car on. And let's see. Okay. Here it goes. See how it's working? Beautiful.
Yeah.
Come here, Mama. If I can show them from the front. I need you to come over here, right? Just press this way like this, look. Okay? Show me.
Okay.
Show me.
Like
Show
this.
me. This way, yeah. This way. Go ahead. Press it for the. If I can show them from the front.
Okay.
Go ahead, go.
I'm already here.
Okay, Mama. Come on. Just press it this way, okay?
Okay.
The whole thing. If I can show them that it's working. Let it go. Let
Can
the
I
door.
close it?
Let the door go.
Can I just...
Yes, close it, Mama. But remember the key's in there. Come on. Waiting for my daughter. Okay, Mama. Press it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, Mommy, close it up. Thank you.
I closed it.
All right, let it go. Let it go. There you go. Good job. Give me a thumbs up. I'm going to fill it up all the way. I'm going to fill this up all the way and show you with more liquid in it. Be right back. Okay, my friend, I filled it up all the way with the washer. I used this right here, the windshield wash. I got this for $1. And get here, Mama. Go. Look at full blasted. Look at that. Good job, baby. Let it go. Let it go, baby. Okay, thank you. Take the key out. It's the only key they got. Okay, I got it, Mama. It's okay. Okay, right there.
I'm just getting it off.
Okay, there you go. So here you go, my friends. If you're not that's the easy way to change the washer pump, all you have to do is in the passenger side, turn your wheel, and if you have a little panel here, all you got to do is turn your panel and just pull it. I'll show you like here. It has the grommet in the jug, right? That goes in there, and then this is on top of the grommet inside. So all you got to do is pull it. You take the wire harness by pressing it here, and then you have the where the hose go at, right in here. So you just take out the hole, take the wire harness, and pull it, and just empty out the old one that was in there. That's what I just did. I just emptied the whole one and I put a new one. And this is how you change the washer pump on a 2004 Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching. This is Non Mechanic. Later.